For this one, we're using shaving cream. So what we're going to do is open this up, dump out the slime and glue. It's kind of coming out. Well, let's stop using this one since not a lot is coming out. So that's why I picked the second one. So we're going to be opening this and dumping out the slime. Okay, so then there. Then you're gonna add the shaving cream. And then start mixing. So then you're going to pick your color. What I'm going to pick is this color. I think it's kind of like a pinkish. Then I'm going to add 2 drops. And then after that, let's start mixing. It's kind of getting there. It kind of looks like frosting. It's not. Then we're going to add some hot water, so I'll be back in a second. So I got the hot water, and what we're going to do is I'm going to basically take out this one, so I'm going to need 4 drops of this. But I was supposed to use this one, but instead I'm going to have to use this one. Oops, nothing's here. Wait. And then one more. I'm using too much. Okay. And then what you do is you start mixing. This is out of the way. Okay, so then what you're going to do is add some and then start mixing. And add a little bit more if it's still a little bit slimy. And then when you think you're ready, you start taking it by hand. And there, that's how you make slime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below if it worked for you. And tell me what color you used, unless it was plain. Thank you. Bye.